I hope that you are doing fine, and let's start today's session with our new topic, which is JavaScript identifiers. What are JavaScript identifiers? And do you have any idea why do we use JavaScript identifiers? If you don't know, then there's no problem in not knowing it. We'll be covering this all in this one video. I hope that you are liking this video, and you can like and share my videos for more. All JavaScript variable must be identified with a unique name. Suppose I cannot use all variable must be identified with a unique thing. So if I take var name as Clinton and var name as Sherry. If I take these two names, then what will happen? The name is assigned first Clinton. Then we change the name from Clinton to Sherry. So it is not a unique name convention. There is duplicate in this naming convention. So this variable, what do you think, what will be the output? Do you have any answers in your mind? What will be the output of this statement right on your screen? I hope that you are understanding it. We are naming the variable not uniquely, but in a duplicate manner. What do you think, what will be the answer? Clinton or Sherry? What will the compiler store in this name variable, which is name? And what will be the value? It will be Clinton or Sherry? What is your guess? Let's see the output. What is the value of this variable? So if I console log out and I check this, and we get value Sherry, because the last statement executed and stored value of name was Sherry. So it has overwritten name from Clinton to Sherry, and it is name with the same variable is used twice, so no unique variable is created for Sherry. So it has overwritten the name Clinton to Sherry. So next video will be covering other things about identifiers. I hope that you like this video, and in the next video we'll be covering identifiers with short names like X and Y. We can name identifiers with a short descriptive names or a long name which makes sense. We'll be covering a lot more in the next video. I hope that you are liking the video. Share my